be sharing to you experience of my friend. She's not here. Her name is Nikki, Esther Nikki. She's a public school teacher. At the age of 54, she had a stroke. So she has to go into forced retirement. She's already 57 years old now. So after the stroke, it's been 3 years already. So like mom who shared here, she cannot talk. And then she has to be in the wheelchair kay dili na siya makalakaw. I mean, she cannot walk anymore. She cannot walk and she cannot talk. So I think that was 3 months ago when we visited her. We introduced to her BioSpray. And so because it's not really cheap, so she has to wait for her pension. Then she was able to buy 3 weeks after using BioSpray. One morning she was surprised because when she woke up, she was able to get up without the assistance of her nurse. Then a few days later, she was able to pronounce already the name of her daughter. So until now, she's still using BioSpray. And then, although she ran out of stock anymore, so she has to wait for her pension again so she can buy another bottle. So thank you very much. That's the power of BioSpray.